Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We are so happy you're joining us today for a very practical lesson.
That's right. Today, we are learning one of the first and most important skills in any language, how to introduce yourself.
Knowing how to introduce yourself correctly gives you the power to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere. It's a huge step in building your speaking confidence.
We'll show you how to do it in different situations, from casual to formal. Let's get started.
Part 1. The casual introduction. Tom, let's start with a casual situation. Imagine you were at a party or meeting a new classmate. It's very relaxed and friendly. Anna, let's do a quick role play. I'll start. Hi, I'm Tom. What's your name?
Hey, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? It's that simple. Let's break it down. We use friendly greetings like hi or hey. We use I'm with our name. It's the most common and natural way to introduce yourself. The magic phrase is nice to meet you. And the simple reply is nice to meet you too.
Part 2. The formal introduction. Now, let's imagine a different situation, like a business meeting or the first day of a new job. Here, we want to be a little more formal and professional.
Exactly. Let's role play again. This time, I'll start. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm the marketing manager.
Hello, Anna. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Tom, and I'm the new project lead.
Let's look at the differences. We use a more formal greeting, like hello. We can use my name is. It's a bit more formal than I'm. A great formal phrase is it's a pleasure to meet you or it's nice to meet you. It's also common to add your job title or role. I'm a student or I'm an engineer.
Part 3. Adding more information. Tom, after you say your name, a conversation usually begins with a few simple questions. If you learn these, you can have a great first conversation with anyone.
Anna, the first question is about where you are from. For example, Tom, where are you from?
I would answer, I'm from Canada. It's a simple way to share a little about yourself.
The next question is usually about your job. What do you do?
And I would say, I'm a doctor. You can say your job or simply, I'm a student.
And finally, a friendly question is about your hobbies. What do you like to do?
Here I can say, I like to play guitar. This shows your personality. It's a great way to find things in common with the new person. Let's practice.
Okay, let's put it all together. Here is a full, friendly introduction. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. I'm from the United States. I'm a teacher, and I like to read books in my free time.
That's a perfect introduction. Here is a slightly more formal one. Hello, my name is Tom. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm from Canada, I'm a doctor, and I enjoy playing guitar.
Now you have all the tools you need to introduce yourself with confidence. The most important thing is to smile and be friendly.
Thank you for joining us today on Confidence in English. We hope you feel ready to go out and meet some new people.
Your confidence grows every time you practice. You can do it.
For your next lesson, click right here to watch the next video.
Until then, keep practicing. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.